I got a comment yesterday, I think it was, and this guy was asking, hey Sam, can you show me how to remove the hover effect on a product image? I wasn't quite sure what he meant at first, so I asked him to send me an email with a screen recording just to clarify what it was he actually wanted to do. And basically, when you go into the store on Squarespace and you hover over an image, if there's more than one image like within the product, it's going to show the next image. So basically, whenever you hover over anything, it changes the image. And this is quite poor, quite a poor user experience. So he was like, well, I don't want it to come up. And then so I had a little look in the forums, and there was tons and tons of other people having this issue. And luckily, there's a pretty simple fix that's floating about. So I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate it on your site and stop that hover effect on your product images. Okay, so we're in the store and I'm going to show you basically what that guy meant initially. See, when we hover, it does this hover effect. Now it is quite cool, but some people may just want to see the first shot. So if you're like this guy, I think his name was Dave. If you're watching this, Dave, cheers for the video idea. But if you're anything like Dave, then I'm going to show you a super simple code that's going to completely get rid of this effect. So if we go to our website dashboard, and I'll show you how to navigate to it. So website, and then we scroll right down to website tools, and then custom CSS. And then what we want to do is create a few new lines, and I'm going to paste the code. So you can see as soon as I paste it, the effect goes, which is great. Now, I don't want to take credit for this code. This was in the Squarespace forums, so I'm not claiming credit for this, but what I am trying to do is bring it to as many people as possible. Now, what this code is doing is basically targeting products and the collection content wrapper, which is this, and then grid image hover. So grid image hover essentially means the image that comes up when you hover. So by turning the opacity down, what we're saying is even though this effect is happening, you can't see it. So if we were to do 0.5, you can see it comes up like this. So it does exist, we just can't see it. So by turning it to 0 like this, and that's how it works. If we were to turn this to 0, then we wouldn't be able to see anything because the image cover is what is shown initially. So what Squarespace does is it turns the opacity of this to 0 when we hover, and it turns the opacity of this to 1 as we hover. So it switches. And what we're doing is we're overriding that and making sure that the opacity for both stay exactly the same, no matter whether we're hovering or not. And if you do find it useful, then please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all the Squarespace resources in the description below.